Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in film sentiment at plus 0.63, with momentum pushing even higher at plus 0.75. This isn't just typical growth, it's a powerful surge that's significantly above the historical baseline for this time of year, indicating a strong positive shift in audience perception. Our Sentiment API returns a comprehensive analysis that includes sentiment scores, momentum trends, and even 20 semantic clusters to give you granular insights into how viewers feel about specific films. Imagine using this data to tailor your marketing strategy for an upcoming release. Understanding what resonates with the audience can drive your campaigns effectively. Dive deeper into the capabilities of our API at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's transform how you leverage sentiment data in your projects.